enacted a la king.
Tú eres mi otro yo.
You are my other me.
Si te hago daño a ti,
If I do harm to you,
me hago daño a mí mismo.
I do harm to myself.
Si te amo y respeto,
If I love and respect you,
me amo y respeto yo.
I love and respect myself. Enacted.
Hey, did you hear what happened to Jamal and Jose?
No. What?
Man, it got crazy.
What? What happened?
Alright, so check this out. This morning, they were playing ball like they always do. But some lady got mugged at the bus stop and the two dudes took off running.
No.
Yeah, man, no one got a good look at the muggers. And when the cops were out looking for them, they found Jamal and Jose on the courts a few blocks away. Man, they busted Jamal's face because he got loud with them. When they grabbed him and Jose on the courts thinking they mugged that lady. Can you believe that? You know how Jamal gets all intellectual about social justice stuff?
No, man, really? You and Jamal get all passionate and stuff whenever anything about social justice happens.
Yeah, they dragged him to the precinct and everything. Before the cops even realized that they hadn't even mugged that lady. We're about to round everyone up, make signs and protest, go all out in front of the precinct when they let them go.
I didn't hear any of that. I was with Abuela helping her at the bank. You know, they fit the description. You know how that goes. But you know who we ran into at the bank? Julissa.
Oh, man.
She asked about you.
Nah, man, it ain't like that. I'm not crazy about Julissa. She's into me.
I see the way you look at her.
Man, whatever. I ain't looking at her. I'm single, trying to stay single. I'm looking at her kicks. I want a pair of those. Have you seen them? But I ain't got enough money yet, man. My uncle may give me some work at the shop, but, you know, we'll see. Then I might be able to get them.
Cool. But you know Julissa's cool. She's definitely has a thing for you. Hola, abuela. Ya llegaron. Oh, Mikey. ¿Cómo está mi guy? Qué guapo están los dos.
Oh, shucks, abuela. You know you're my favorite grandma.
I'm your only grandma.
True that. You know, I have so much love for you, abuela.
Buenas noches, comadre. Nos vemos en el convivio.
Abuela, can I get some money so we
¿Hablaste
can
con
get some
Carmen?
food? Sí, saque dinero.
Sí,
Thanks, abue.
se me olvidó decirte.
So, did she say yes to food? Because I'm hungry.
She didn't say, but it's cool.
Yo, ask your grandma, man.
It's cool, she won't care. Just in case.
All right, but man, I don't know. Ask your abuela, because she's going to get so mad at us, man. Not just at you, just at us, both of us.
It ain't a big deal.
Man, but I'm trying to get me some flautas, yo.
Ahorita venimos, abuela. Let's go. Ve, yo tenía más dinero aquí. Pero aquí le doy para las aguas.
A lo mejor era ese muchacho que siempre anda con Adam.
No.
Él es mala influencia.
No, Mike no haría eso. Después te llevo el dinero para las aguas. Nos vemos más tarde. Ay, no puedo creer que me sacó el dinero. Lo necesitaba.
I look good, and it's not just because it's Friday.
Mikey, vimos a Julissa en el banco.
Oh, grandma.
Su mamá está haciendo las últimas preparaciones para la fiesta del sábado de Julissa. ¿Van a ir?
Oh, yeah, abuela. You know it. I'm going to look good. Everyone's going to want some of this. But, Adam, that's why I got to get them kicks, man. You look good in yours. We could be matching and styling together.
But that's why I'm broke now. I barely made enough cutting grass with my uncle last Saturday. But it felt good to get them.
Man, how am I gonna get mine? My uncle still hasn't paid me what he owes me. I was up there for hours sweating in his shop. I need to talk to my uncle about them labor laws.
Abue, what are you making for dinner? Can you make us some food? I don't know, mijo. It's a tight week. Remember, we have to chip in for the convivio. But I'm making flautas.
Oh man, abuela, I love your flautas. Man, everybody in my family loves your abuela's flautas. Your abuela always be sending us little packages of goodness.
Me saludas a tu mamá. Y tal vez hoy sobren para mandarle. Oh, abuela, that's the downstairs phone. Oh, debe ser su tío hablando del pueblo.
Come on, man. What are you telling abuela that now she thinks I'm after Julissa?
Nothing. Abuela sees it for herself.
I ain't into Julissa, man. She's always following me everywhere.
I see how you look at her. Cool. But Julissa definitely has a thing for you. You better be careful because her bro don't like you.
Man, he just be hating because all the girls want some of this. I can't help it if I'm so good looking.
What's up, Carlos? Oh, so Carlos says that they got your kicks. He said he's holding on to them at the store.
Where
if you
at?
get there
Where?
fast enough, you can get them.
Man,
but there's a lady who wants them.
Tell him not to give them up. Let's go. I'm sure, man, I ain't got no money. Remember, I gave that work for my uncle, and he hasn't paid me.
Oh,
He's
okay,
gonna pay me
we're
this
coming.
weekend.
Maybe your cousin can lend you some. I'm gonna run in real quick.
Man, it's okay. Oh, man, but I need this money now. I'll just replace it later. I know my uncle's gonna pay me on Sunday anyway.
¿Qué haces? ¿Cómo es posible? ¿Robándome el dinero?
I didn't take anything.
No puedo creer.
Not
Te
taking
estaba defendiendo de la vecina el otro día y aquí andas robándome.
Not taking anything.
No, yo voy a llamar a la policía. Increíble. Whoa, abuela, what's going on? I can't believe Mikey me iba a robar el dinero. Llame a la policía.
Man, I wasn't stealing from you. I was gonna put it back.
Whoa, abuela. Mike wouldn't take your money. Pero yo lo vi. But abuela, you can't call the cops. When I took that money for food a few weeks back, you didn't call the cops. You just made me go help la vecina with her yard till I made enough to pay you back. Why you gotta call the cops?
Man, forget this. I knew she didn't like me anyway.
Whoa, you don't talk like this, Mike. You were just telling me how awesome my abuela is. And abuela, you were just telling Mike how great he is. You're not listening to each other. You're just reacting to each other. No, man. Mike, that's what we were learning about in school. That restoring stuff, repair harm.
I think abuela needs to sit in that class too, man.
Háblale a la policía. Oh, no. Do you know all the things that can happen if you call the police? No. We can talk about this. Abuela, I know you're upset. Mike, you're always talking about doing the right thing. Abuela, the police are not social workers. The police are not mediators. If the police come, they're going to arrest Mike, and that's not going to solve the problem.
Hey! Be careful.